Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from IC Market. So guys, let's get started without waste any time. First guys, log into your account on IC Market, and after that guys, what you have to do, open this option withdraw, and after that guys, you have this option withdraw method. Choose your method you want to withdraw and choose your account, no trade account, and after that choose your bank account if you want to withdraw money to your bank account directly. And after that, what you have to do, guys, click I would like to withdraw, write your amount here you want to withdraw, and after that guys, just click submit option as you can see here on the screen, and we take a few days to processing your option submitting your withdraw request. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon. Keep watching guys.